It's American, proper American V8. Oh my gosh, y'all just seen that? Is it handling good too? Wait a minute, bruh. Wait, no, G56. Wait, hold on. No, this GT3 kind of nut though. Now I can't get a grip of what I want to say because this is a lot going on here. And then the Minnesota playing Golden State. All right, that sounds perfect. All right, just wait, hold on now. Yeah, now that wing is huge. Why the wing so big though? GT3 made their wings look like that. I mean, I like it. I love it. How much horsepower it got?